Alright, greetings family, welcome to the channel. My brother Prince Ayoko, sending my greetings to you from Tamale, northern Ghana. How are you doing? How is your weekend going? And how is your day going as well? You know, as I always tell you, this is Prince Ayoko's Technical University. Prince Ayoko's Technical University is the name. And you know, at Prince Ayoko's Technical University, this is where you get to learn for free. You will learn about building. And you will learn so much about building, especially building in Ghana. Not only in Ghana, but building in Africa and building as a general. You see, in today's video, we've been working on this particular concrete since morning. As early as 8 o'clock a.m. we started this going. We started this going because this work has to finish today. And my mason, together with his men, are very serious-minded. They are very hardworking, and at the same time, they are on top of their job, 100%. And they are strong as well and energetic, like they are like lions. They are the real kings. But I'm gonna show you one surprise about today's video. You know, this particular project is dedicated to queens. I mean the real queens all over the world. The black queens, the real black queens all over the world. Today, it is a blessing. It is a blessing because ever since we started this project, no queen has ever put their hand on the project. No queen has ever put their hand to work on the project. The one thing about this surprising thing that I'm going to show with you today is about our queens working hard in labor to get queens built. This is amazing. In the olden days, this is how kings and queens were building empires. They were both contributing physically, mentally, and spiritually in building empires in the olden days. And up to date, we still practice it here. We have a time in our building projects where women will come out. Women will come out in their numbers to support. Though they will get paid. They will get paid for the work that they do. But it looks more like even the pay that they're getting. I don't count that. I count what they are doing. And I appreciate what they are doing. I'm going to take you to the compound to see what these beautiful queens, energetic queens, powerful queens, as well as strong queens, the lioness. I'm going to take you there to see what they are doing. Big salute to all of these queens. I am very, very much appreciated for what they are doing today. So you see, Mbakalambo is mixing the concrete. That is his name, Mbakalambo. He's a whistle blower. He blows a trumpet, so he's a trumpet blower, a traditional trumpet. So we call him Kalambo. That's the name of the traditional trumpet. So he's the one who is mixing the concrete, and then these strong queens are carrying the concrete and giving it to this man, you know, to give to the masters on top. So they are just on top of their job. Just look at it, very powerful. The real queens, this is typical Northern women. Very, very typical Northern women. They are very energetic, they are very strong, and you know, they're just getting the work done. So we show so much appreciation and love to them for what they are doing. So queens and kings are working together in happiness and in peace. So Majid is also here, busily working with the queens. They're laughing at Majid. Majid fears the camera. Yes. So queens are really contributing in the building up of Queen's Guest House. You know, they are making concrete floors for the apartment that we're gonna build on top of the underground water tank. And as you can see, this is the underground water tank here. And then the middle is the lounge, and the top part is gonna be the apartment. So everything is going to be done manually. Everything is going to be done manually. As I already told you, we started this early in the morning, and it's almost getting to the end of the job. They are almost getting to the close of the job. And as you can see, my mason is here, Janfo, busily working to make things, you know, right. And we are doing everything here manually. Everything is done manually. Everything is done manually. Since from the beginning of this project, everything that we do here is manually job. No machines, no anything, just the use of bare hands and simple tools to work. See this powerful queen carrying concrete on her head, and you know, just walking on this stairs, this wooden staircase, like it's no one's business. Just look at it. And even holding the concrete with one hand whilst climbing. This is so powerful. This is so powerful. This is so strong. This is the power of the black woman and the black man. Everything is solid. Wow. This is strong. That's the queens bringing the concrete to the kings. So the concrete is almost halfway done. By the close of the day, they will finish everything. So there's one secret that I'm going to share with you about this project. Right from the beginning of the foundation to the underground water tank. This is the front view of the project. That is the underground water tank. And this side is the back of it. So basically, let me show you something that I call the secret. The front view is much higher than the back. So whenever rain falls here, whenever rain falls on the topmost part of the concrete decking, we're gonna do on the top. It's gonna run through this place to the end, to this drainage here. So meaning that when the top is casted with concrete, there will be a little bit of slope that is going to be kind of, you know, making the water flow very freely from the front view to the back, so that the drainage will be easier. You know, water will be able to flow easily to the drainage. This is the real kings and the real queens. This is the real definition of Queen's Guest House. Queens just working hard together with kings and making things, you know, happen. Yes, this is so powerful. Wow, this lady is even carrying it without holding it. Wow, this is powerful. This is the real, the real power of the black woman and the power of the black man, like being strong and able to work together in peace and happiness and just, make the work happen. Yeah. This is the power of the black man and the black woman, the black king and the black queen, making things happen. Yeah, but I'll advise them to, clean their body well after the work, because we need these women fresh and strong, Alright, family, as you can see, everything is going along very well. Everything is coming along very neat and very, strong and solid. As well as, like a lion, as I always say. Thank you so much for your time. Please don't forget to share this content as much as you can. Like the videos and subscribe to the channel and click on the notifications bell if you are new to this channel for more content. Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Stay blessed.